Welcome back to another edition of Richa Recommends. Today's recommendation is The Unboy Boy. It has been published by Pickle Yolk Books, written by Richa Jha and illustrated by Gautam Benegul. And I am Richa Sethi, co-founder of GetLit, the place to discover and read best of children's literature. As grown-ups, we like to segregate the world into different compartments or brackets that are based on gender, skin color, income levels, and various other criteria. And we have defined certain unsaid norms of how different genders, a boy or a girl, should behave. A boy cannot cry. A girl is usually weak. Boys love blue, girls like pink, and so on. And you're not kind to anyone who does not fall into these definitions. The book, The Unboy Boy, brings forth this in a very gentle manner. It opens up your eyes to this stereotyping through the story of Gagan, who doesn't like to do many boyish things. Like he doesn't like to stamp on ants or tease others. You won't find him running across the house breaking things. He cries when he gets hurt, and he likes to go everywhere with his friend Bingo, which is actually a soft toy. And because of all these things, he's bracketed as someone who is not a boy. The book captures Gagan's emotions and experiences very vividly, and the illustrations allow you to step into his world. This is the place where he is very beautifully looking at the ants around him while other friends are making fun of him. There's another scene where he has taken Bingo, his best friend, for show and tell to the school. And another place where he's got hurt and he's crying, and his grandfather is not looking at him in a very kind tone. I think this is a gentle book which should be read along with your child. I'm sure there are multiple things which are going to resonate with them and with you. So do pick up this book on GetLit, getlitt.co, or you can buy this book on Pickle Yolk's website. Till we meet next time, keep reading and discovering new stories with your kids. Bye.